Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable zoom controller, adjust zoom level on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and in here tap on accessibility. Next, tap on zoom. Then we go down and tap on zoom controller. In here, tap on adjust zoom level. So tap on the toggle button to switch off, adjust zoom level, or you can switch it on. Now when this is on, you can double tap on the controller and this will allow you to adjust the zoom level. So if I double tap and then move it up and down like this, it will allow me to zoom in and zoom out or to adjust the zoom level. And that's it. So here you can see I can adjust the zoom level by zooming in or out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.